Oh, are you okay? Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out!
Out, and then Abby's cat went out, and then
Jerry, think about it. It's a baby.
Guardate la sua espressione in questo momento. Adoro.
Keep your paws closed, or you're gonna get off them. Thank you.
Hey, don't pull Kitty's tail. He's gonna get you.
Don't. Hello.
watch me move my head to it.
Carl. It's okay.
One, two, three.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share your favorite moments. Stay tuned for more amazing content.